Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into your Realme GT Neo 3. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find System Settings option. Go into, here I choose screen recording option, and now on the bottom on the top we got our sound settings. So first option it's record system sound. For example, this position like gray it's turn on this option, and this like blue it's activate this option, and record microphone sound. So if you wanna, for example, record only microphone sound, you need to activate this option, tap OK, and turn off this option, record system sound. If you wanna record system sound and microphone sound too, you need to activate these two options. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.